How to clear clipboard on Samsung. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to clear the clipboard on your Samsung device. The clipboard is where your phone temporarily stores copied text and images. You might want to clear this information for privacy reasons or to free up space. It's a straightforward process that only takes a few steps. First, open any app that has a text field, such as a messaging app, notes, or email. Once the keyboard is displayed, look for three dots in the top right corner of the keyboard and tap on them. Select Clipboard. Here you'll see all the text you have previously copied. To delete specific items from your clipboard, tap the trash can icon. Find the text you want to remove and tap on it, and then hit delete. A confirmation message will appear asking if you are sure you want to delete this item. Tap delete again to confirm. And that's it. If you have any questions about the process, feel free to ask in the comment section below. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.